What would happen if a nuke went off in the Mariana Trench? This is the Tsar Bomba, the nuke that Soviet leader Nikita Khrushchev promised to show the West during the Cold War. 58.6 megatons of sheer, unadulterated power, with a subsequent blast wave that circled the globe 3 times. And this is the Mariana Trench, the deepest crack in the Earth's surface, a canyon almost 7 miles or 11 kilometers deep, up to 3 miles or 5 kilometers wide, and completely filled with water. The Tsar Bomba was dropped from a height of 6.5 miles, that's about 10.5 kilometers, which is almost equal to the depth of the Mariana Trench. Coincidence? I don't think so. So what happens if we drop a nuke into the depths of the Mariana Trench for a good and proper kaboom? All right, so we've decided to blow up the Mariana Trench. Before answering the question, what happens, we have to figure out a method for delivering the bomb to a depth of 7 miles or 11 kilometers, and it's not as simple as you might think. After all, the density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter, which means that at these depths, the water pressure will reach 110 megapascals, which is 1,100 times normal atmospheric pressure. For our purposes, this means that a nuclear bomb with the standard outer layer of lead will simply get crushed flat, without detonating, of course. The amusing but lackluster end result would be a giant uranium pancake, 130 feet or 40 meters in diameter, ending up at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. This pancake will emit radiation for centuries, as the half-life of uranium is 2,000 years. But in this scenario, there will be no explosion. The charge won't be compressed to the point of critical mass, and the thermonuclear shell of the bomb will get torn off halfway to the bottom and dissolve in the water. So let's say the bomb will be lowered down inside a bathyscaphe. That's a deep-sea submersible designed to withstand high pressure and, optionally, be remotely controlled. In this case, we're gonna get our bang. And there's actually more than one way for that to happen. 1. If the bomb is detonated at a depth of between 3 to 5 miles, that's 5 to 8 kilometers, the explosion won't be that much different from your typical underwater nuclear test. Oh, except for a tsunami 400 feet or 122 meters high that will appear on the surface of the Pacific Ocean.